following exercises are suitable for these prosthetic knee joints.
Welcome back to Bestcare Rehabilitation Forum.
Franziska teaches Gerhard how to walk up shallow to medium slopes. Stance release is triggered while walking uphill. During stance phase, Gerhard moves forward over the whole foot and initiates swing phase using the hip flexors. Avoid hip hiking or circumduction, which unloads the prosthesis too early. When walking down a shallow slope, keep the residual limb relaxed and allow knee flexion until the foot has full contact to the ground. Just like level ground, the center of mass moves forward over the foot. Therefore, the knee and hip extend at the end of the stance phase and trigger stance release. Franziska supports Gerhard in shifting the center of mass and with the appropriate knee movement. It's harder to execute the movement pattern while walking slowly. However, this exercise serves for training of the correct walking technique. This is how Gerhard can consciously feel the motion sequence. Franziska shows how to reduce the safety measures step by step until Gerhard walks freely. Insufficient shift of the center of mass and a flexed knee joint at the end of the stance phase are typical reasons for missing stance releases. Franziska points out the importance of shifting the center of mass forward and extending the knee for triggering stance release.
If you are a practitioner, if you are a CPO or an orthotist, prosthetist or a doctor, or you are a patient, please for any questions and inquiries contact me with 009715091102216. This is my mobile number from UAE. Also my email address. You will right now see it on the display. Please save this mobile number and this email address with you. I will be available for you 24/7. Anytime you have a question, contact me and you will get answered immediately. Thank you very much.